G'day, Ninja here. I've got Jerrick, our model for today.
Yep.
So, Jerrick's a wrestler, so he has little neck niggles all the time. So
Always.
Tell us about this little one we're going to do today.
So this is like, it's a bit more on the fascial side, so it's a bit more close to the surface. I always kind of feel myself, I'm pressing through here. I'm really digging my fingers there, and at the time, I can get a bit more intensified pain or discomfort when I really stretch my neck back.
Yeah.
So yeah, if we can get a good release through that fascial side of things,
yeah,
that'll be good.
So we're going to freestyle a little bit, got a couple of
Yeah.
little plans, but I can just sort of engage there and kind of just slowly sink in. So I haven't got any wax on my fingers. I want to get a really good purchase, a grip on things. How's that feel there, man?
That feels good already.
Yeah. So I can kind of letting the thing settle. I can start to feel the transverse processes, like in his neck, just from the front of him a little bit, just in this spot here. So I'm just gonna let that sink, and now I can just feel Jerrick's just naturally starting to just do a couple of little degree movements, and kind of help me to hit where he wants me to hit. So I'm kind of just pushing there. So a lot of times you don't need to be having an elbow into everything. Just the fingertips and a good engagement is what you need to be effective. And patience. If you've been watching our videos, you'll notice that we kind of pin things a lot, hold onto things. We just wait and let that fascial sheets or place wherever we are to melt down. So when you're just going fast, it just doesn't put that same imprint into the fascia and allow it time to melt. And things like that. How's it feel, man?
Feels good. It's starting to refer down into here a little bit, which feels also nice.
Yeah, just going to change an angle, so getting down under here.
I feel like even if I just look, it makes a difference. Like if I look up or if I look to the side, I can feel that just pull of my skin.
Yeah, so I'm gonna stand up, get a different angle. How's that feel?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah,
I can feel
a
I'm
bit more.
in the top of that. Just go kind of lateral.
Oh yeah.
Like that. So I can just explore angles. So I haven't moved on the structure I'm actually touching, but I'm just changing angles, and Jerrick can kind of change angles as well. It's starting to slip down. Saw something flip out a little bit.
Yeah.
I feel like I can push back
No, it feels good.
into there. Like that. So I'm kind of starting to move a bit now, especially with the middle finger. The ring finger's not doing that much. But yeah, the middle finger's really driving, clearing some action.
It's actually like my jaw as well. I can feel it, just the whole jaw referring.
Yeah. So I'm going to start to get down to the collarbone here. So with this area of the body too, it's you don't want to be digging in too deep because there's a lot of superficial muscles here. So you want to really stretch them out. So once I'm here, I can feel that, if you want to start to explore different head movements, I can just really feel different things stretching, engaging when I'm in this position here. Good. I might just clear down into that spot there. And just these slow movements that Jerrick's doing, it just really helps me hit these spots that need to be cleared. And you just can't get the, optimal angle without a bit of guidance, and you just need to move sometimes in order to hit it. So that's the thing with getting a neck threaded seated, is that's when you're in the position that you feel it is when you're actually sitting. It's not when you're laying face down. So you can kind of get a lot more intel into what you need to do to fix it. How's that feel there?
That's good. I didn't realize how much tension the jaw. I get loads of jaw tension just or jaw referral.
So I can feel that. I'm down below your collarbone there, but that when you go back, there's just I can really feel that stretch.
That pull.
Yeah, platysma, one of my favourite muscles, this blanket of muscle that kind of goes all through the throat and then down over and attaches into that rib there. So, this isn't.
Yeah, engages.
Yeah.
Emotion, yeah. It's like,
Yeah, it's that when you're a bit angry or, you know, fighting and things like that. This is something unconsciously would be.
sometimes I'm just, like even during my like sparring, you clench just naturally.
Yeah. You know, if you think you're fighting, you know, if you want to be relaxed, you're not switched on. You know,
right,
you got to be switched on if you're going to go into combat sports. You know,
Yeah.
otherwise you're going to get fucking hurt.
Yeah,
you know.
Focus.
Yeah. So I'm going down quite low there. So I'm just going to come out. So we've just done one line there. How's that feel now,
Feels
man?
good. Yeah, the jaw release is incredible.
Yeah. So you're feeling better in your jaw?
Yeah, the jaw
Feels
just
lighter.
feels lighter. Lots of like sensation going around in through here, which is I didn't expect.
Yeah, cool.
That's amazing.
Cool.
You want to have a look at?
You've got the floor for a minute. Let's improvise. Show us a couple of exercises and then let's treat you.
Yeah.
You can feel things.
I think I've showed an exercise previously working on neck flexion on the floor, but this allows you to go off the table and go through a more deeper range of motion. Okay, so this is a bit more for your advanced exercise or advanced guys working your neck strength. So I like to go through here. I like to go my knees bent and your neck is just off the table like this, okay? And from here, you do the same motion, coming out and coming back in like that. Nice and easy. You don't want to do this too fast. Just like this. And this allows me to kind of relax at the end range of motion. I can even get treated in this position here.
Yeah.
So is that something that you can go through as well?
So up underneath here?
Yeah.
Is that where you were kind of pointing just
even
then?
like a bit more closer there, because I felt like some tension.
You want it on, is the lighter right there, Leo? Or you want it on this side?
Yeah.
So, is it right? So you're getting it. So I don't, how are you going just lying there, man?
Yeah, it's okay.
You're okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
So you want me to explore a little bit? So I'm going to go towards the midline just a little bit. I can feel a spot there. Got it?
Yep.
So I'm just going to wait for that to melt, that initial melting bit. You know, the patience is really important, that we can kind of get into the depth we want to. If you start moving before you're into that in really deep, you're not going to be able to clear as deeply. So we're going to hold that for a start. And I can probably just even intuitively just move you a little bit, man, like that. Like that.
It feels good.
So I'm just sort of cradling the head, making sure he's feeling safe, supported, while this thumb is challenging the spot that's stuck and stubborn. So we really want that to shift. So I might take my hand away and see if we can get you to move a little bit. So I'm just going to let that glide along there a bit now. Come straight down here, Leo, I reckon. Kind of see.
Wow.
Yeah. So I'm not going too deep, but I'm feeling like I'm really engaged. That.
Yeah, it allows me to relax in this stretch.
Yeah. Feel that, yeah. As you kind of turn and then come back, I can feel I'm engaging there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the crap, for a better word, is that's on those bony parts. We're able to clear them when he kind of moves, because it helps me really engage with them. Whoa, just flipped over something just there. Going to keep on going along. It's similar to what we're doing seated.
Oh yeah.
But I can really just hold that. And Jerrick's, just really involved with his own healing. Whoa, just slipped off a little.
That's all right.
There.
Oh.
Right in above that collarbone there. Hold that, you're good.
Yeah. I don't want to do too much movement here because I know it'll slip.
Yeah, I can kind of try and flatten it a little bit. So I can really pin that. I can feel like a ropey bit there. Pin that and wait. So that shouldn't slip out now. That's it. So we can kind of explore, get an angle. Under clear.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I can feel that one there. Just right there, there's a ropey tendon. Yeah, that's it. Cool, man.
That's cool.
It's clearing, man.
That's cool.
I'm gonna come over. So,
I'm surprised that the blood's not rushed to my head. It feels okay.
yeah. Brand new move.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So, just feel there's a bit of something caught there. You can even probably from this position here try some up and downs.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
like
true.
that.
Because I do find myself pressing in that clavicle, like first couple of ribs.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it's good.
So yeah, everything's connected in the body. There's no joints, and gaps and things like that. Everything's connected. So sometimes there's a ripple-on effect.
That's very therapeutic.
So yeah, notice we didn't have to take any clothes off and things like that either. You can kind of, when you're doing dynamic treatments, you just can work people with clothes and you can kind of just access different spots in their body, or you can work through clothes even. It's just another layer of skin, but you can still be really effective when you're just pinning things. But yeah, this is a real fascial, slow fascial stretch when you work in tissue like that. It's gonna come out, man. Cool.
Amazing.
Cool.
That was cool.
You wanna sit up and just give me a little test? See how you're feeling?
It feels good already. Yeah, a lot more range. I can relax here, because last time I could kind of feel a pinch, or it just feels uncomfortable if I just hold it here. But now, I can actually relax.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Yeah. So
That's
yeah,
good.
we keep on going. So we just follow a few different lines. So it just shows you one line. We just can't say it specifically did. And yeah, but it's that was a good line for Jerrick, but there might be others, and we can kind of do testing and just nail the next spot. So
yeah, it allows me to kind of help control where you're going as well, and obviously where I'm feeling the tightness and built up tension.
Yeah, just without any wax. So you can kind of try this on your own neck, you know, and do it yourself. You can kind of feel what how little it takes to be therapeutic. You don't have to push in really hard, but you need to stay steady and strong.
It's the patience,
patient on the spot. Yeah. Anyway, if you're a wrestler, get your neck worked on. Get Jerrick to probably treat you. Can't fucking talk. But this is not fucking speaking channel. It's massage channel, treatment channel, deep bodywork channel. Done.
Thanks, guys.